Hey everyone, welcome back. I hope you guys are all doing amazing. So in today's video, I am going to talk to you guys about the Organic Harvest sunscreen. So they have recently come up with a new sunscreen that has blue light technology. We don't realize this, but blue light is emitted by electronic device and it is as harmful as sun's UV rays. And we are in front of our laptop and mobile phones throughout the day. So this is a sunscreen that works with you both indoors and outdoors. So that helps in not only preventing your skin from the harmful UV rays, but it also prevents your skin from the blue rays emitted from your devices. And I feel like most of us spend more than 60-70% of our time staring into the screen if you're working in an office. And blue rays are also known to cause premature aging and dullness and pigmentation on your skin. So this is what the sunscreen looks like, and they come in a lot of different variants. So they start with SPF 30 and they go all the way up to SPF 60, and I love how each one of the variant comes for two different skin types. Okay, so you have the SPF 30 for all skin types, and you also have an SPF 30 for oily and acne prone skin. Then you have SPF 60 for all skin types, and you can also have the SPF 60 for oily and acne prone skin. So this is what the packaging looks like. It is 100 grams tube that is priced at rupees 475, and this is the sunscreen for all skin type. This is with an SPF of 60. It has a B+++ and protection against both UVA and UVB with blue light technology, and it has a matte finish, and most importantly it is water resistant. Before I show you how the sunscreen is like, let me go through an entire skincare routine using some of the products. So first I am going to wash my face using the 6-in-1 face wash. This is their oil control, cleansing, brightening and rejuvenating face wash, which is free from any sulfate. So I'm just going to take a little bit of that and wash my face using that. And then I was so excited to try their sheet masks. So they have two variants that they sent across. So this is the skin brightening one, and then you have the shine and glow one. So today I am using the shine and glow one, and this is made with figs and gold dust. So I'm just quickly applying the sheet mask all over my face and leaving it on for 15 minutes. And then I'm just going to pat all of the serum onto my face. And then lastly, I am going to take a little bit of their sunscreen and apply that all over my face. And whenever you're applying sunscreen, make sure to not forget your neck and any other exposed part of your skin. So this is what the sunscreen looks like. It is very, very light and has a very matte finish, and once you kind of spread it all over your skin, it just melts right in, and there is no white cast or anything. It's actually very light, feels like water once it's blended onto the skin. I really like the formula. It's very nice. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. In case you guys would want to go check out their sunscreen, it is going to be linked down below, and you can also go visit any one of their stores and get it yourself if you want to try it in person first. Let me know what you guys think of it if you try it, and let me know what sunscreen are you guys using in the comments down below. And make sure that you are always stepping out wearing sunscreen, and also wearing sunscreen indoors. And I feel like this would be great for that. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.